A CAT 2028 slot 1 question, one of the tougher years we've had in quant, right? Let's look at it. How many numbers with 2 or more digits can be formed with the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so that in every such number, each digit is used at most once, right? The conditions over here are 2 or more digits. Digits have to be used at most once. You can't have repetition. And the digits appear in ascending order, right? That is, once I've selected, there's only one way to arrange. So given that there's only one way to arrange, it's more of a selections question, right? I can use 2 or more, I can't have less than that. So total ways you can have selections done out of 9 distinct numbers is going to be 2 power 9. Subtract the cases where you're going to have only exactly one of them, which is 9C1, and the case where you have none of them, 9C0. So you get 512 minus 9 minus 1, which comes to 502, and that becomes the answer for this question. Now, these are the types of questions where if you know the right approach, right, you've gone through the lesson, you've gone through the concepts, and you know them really well, you're going to answer them very, very quickly. In case this bit is not clear, just go through the permutations and combinations lessons, understand as to, these concepts and approaches, how they work. We have put up speed concepts, right? A limited number for free for every single person user over here. Just log into mockat.com, make use of some of the free resources to understand these. To explain in a very brief way, number of ways in which items from these 9 can be selected or not. That is, each of them can either be selected or not. 2 ways they can appear, right? Or they can occur. Next item, number 2 as well. 2 ways of, either selecting it or not selecting it, and so on. You multiply all of these and you get 2 power 9 ways in which you can have selections from these 9. But then I have to remove the selections where none of them are going to be selected. That is, out of 9, you are selecting none of them, 9C0, and remove the ones where you have exactly one of them selected, which is 9C1. That's what you have here. And you get 512 minus 9 minus 1, and 502 becomes the answer for this question.